get?
I don't know what I got.
It's super busy. We are back in Thailand, everyone, and for a very special occasion. One of Thailand's oldest and biggest festivals, Loy Krathong. And we're gonna check it out today to see what it's all about and look at all these people. It's insane. Let's go. Ready?
Careful, 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 careful.
Just pick up a street cat. The Loy Krathong Festival is celebrated by Thai people on the full moon night of the 12th month of the Thai lunar calendar, which usually corresponds with November. The exact origins of the festival are debated, but its tradition may date back over 800 years. We were right around the corner of one of the main sites of celebration, the Golden Mount Temple in Bangkok's Old Town. And of course, I already lost Ali in the crowd.
This is how Marola looks when she's filming.
For this special night, the temple grounds were filled to the brim with street food stalls with an insane variety of meals and snacks. And we squeezed in with the other people wandering between them, in search for some goodies. Wow, this is definitely one of the most elaborate street markets I have ever been to.
Yeah, man. So busy too.
Yeah,
Kind of fun.
and it's hot. We are sweating. And what we found was quite special, including a form of sticky rice that we had never seen before in our 6 months in Thailand. So, are you having fun so far?
Yeah, man. These mushrooms are super nice.
Right, we found a couple of snackies, surprisingly, because usually it's hard to find vegetarian food at street markets in Thailand. But we found some delicious mushrooms with sauce and a really cool sticky rice that we're yet to open, and a really nice lychee drink. So, pretty good yields. This one's definitely easier to eat. So once we have refueled a little bit, we are ready to climb the stairs to this temple. We continued into another surprising part of the night market, where we discovered that the festivities surrounding this century-old Buddhist tradition was a lot less serious and a lot more fun than we had perhaps expected. Look what Ali wants to try. How can you miss that?
Does that count?
Oh! Yes!
You want the turtle or the parrot? That's funny.
To get from the fair. After we were done playing around with air guns, it was about time to head towards the 80 meters man-made hill that leads up to the Golden Mount. But before we arrived at the beginning of its staircase, we found this. In Thai, the word loy means to float, and krathong translates to a small vessel or basket. For Thai people, Loy Krathong is an opportunity to let go of negativity by releasing a krathong into the water. It is a ritual to pay respect to the goddess of water or even the Buddha, and to ask for good luck. And for couples, it's considered to be quite the romantic occasion. Wow, we've reached the first body of water where people are putting the actual krathongs into the floating river. It's so beautiful, I can't believe this. We are walking up the red steps towards the Golden Mount with thousands of other people.
Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah.
What is that noise? What?
I don't know. I said it's busy.
Just say that already 3 times. I don't know what we just did, but it felt really good. As we neared the upper platform of the Golden Mount, the queue got more and more slow and congested. There were more bells to ring and nice views of the party going on beneath us. And then we carefully shuffled inside the mount and would finally find out what all those bulbous flowers people were carrying were for. A grand altar with shimmering golden Buddhas revealed itself. And in front of it, the opportunity to make a flower or incense offering. A good time to take in the vistas of Bangkok. Even though this was not a difficult climb, we felt tired and drenched by the heat. So we decided not to queue up to go even higher onto the mount, but instead make our way down again, along a beautiful light show on the temple walls. But the night did not quite feel complete yet, because we had not yet participated in the main ritual of Loy Krathong. As beautiful as Loy Krathong's tradition of floating lanterns is, the one-night festival has a huge impact on rivers and canals throughout Thailand. In Bangkok alone, more than 630,000 krathongs were fished out of public waterways last year. That's why the Department of Climate Change and Environment in Thailand urged people to use only one biodegradable krathong per household and float it only in designated areas. Or better still, reduce waste by visiting one of the 4 greener Loy Krathong events in Bangkok that allow visitors to digitally design and release a krathong on the water. How cool is that? After today's experience, we honestly can't wait to try this next year. Once we had fully descended the hill and passed by another giant golden Buddha, we were given the opportunity to meet in person with those who preserve and study his teachings. In return for a donation of your choice, the monks in beautiful orange robes will give you blessings and tokens of good luck, of which we still don't fully understand the meaning, but we're welcomed to participate in.
What did you just get?
I don't know what I got. Something on my head.
I think Ali just got a blessing or something.
I don't know what it is, but felt good. I haven't seen it yet myself, actually. Also got this, which is I'm gonna keep precious.
What's that?
I don't know, a wristband?
And of course, now that Ali was fully blessed, I could not stay behind. But it was my first time meeting a real monk, and I was so overwhelmed with the experience that instead of offering a small donation like most people, I gave away all the money I had in my hand. The next monk splashed me with a generous amount of water. And then the night felt complete.
That was refreshing.